Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, yes, nakaayos yung lola nyo. Naligo ako. Maaga ako naligo kasi kagabi nagsuob ako and hindi ako naligo kasi inantok talaga ako at nag-edit ako ng mga vlog. Nagbasa ng mga article. Madami akong ginawa kagabi. So, yun. Naligo ako ng todo-todo. Nagpa-fresh ako. Nagpa-freshen up kasi gumawa din ako ng beauty mode sa TikTok. Hindi pa siya na-upload. Yes, I'm having lunch. Hindi pa siya na-upload. So, yeah. So, ito yung parang from ugly to beauty. Charot naman. O, sa mga nagtatanong pala, yes, ito yung totoong buhok ko. Curly, kulot siya. Pero, medyo basa pa nga to. At pag totally dry talaga siya, sus na ko yung buhok ko. Sobrang buhaghag. So, I don't mind na ganito yung buhok ko. Pag medyo basa pa siya kasi hindi siya masyadong buhaghag. Pero, kung ano na nga, kung totally dry siya, yung buhok ko sobrang laki. But anyway, good news, hindi na ako matutulog ngayon dito. Ha! Back to normal na tayo kasi okay naman ako. Isang beses lang talaga ako inubo and baka lang talaga na dry throat lang siya. Kasi minsan talaga na nauubo tayo. Pero yun na nga, dahil sa mga virus na lumalaganap, napaparanoid tayo. Naghihintay pa ako kay Mr. Nagpapakain pa ng aso si Mr. So, marami palang nagtatanong kung paano daw gawin yung flying challenge sa TikTok. Mismo ako mga palangga, beginner naman ako, hindi ako expert. Well, I find it okay naman. I would not say madali. But, ano lang, yung time na nag-jump ka, ikat mo yun, and yun na. And yun na yung fly mo. Ganon-ganon. And marami sa inyong nag-comment about kay Pipa. Mabigat kasi si Pipa. So, kung humahawak pa ako ng walis, and then I carry Pipa, I cannot jump kasi she has some weight. And it takes a while to jump like that. Someone is excited. I'm sleeping with you tonight.
Oh gosh, no, I've got a headache. Right, we've got no ham.
Okay.
We can beans on toast.
Well, yeah, can do. Why not? So, yung freezer namin.
Beans on toast, cheese on top.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, why not? So, yung freezer namin, medyo pakonti na yung stock. Pero we still have a lot of food naman. Mostly mga noodles. Yan oh. Marami pa naman tayong noodles. Andito. Meron pa tayong mga canned goods dyan. So we're having beans on toast. And John right now is opening a tin.
Heinz beans and bacon burgers.
This one.
This can opener is older than me.
Not older than you.
Do you know how old this is?
What?
It must be at least
At least. How many years?
35 years old.
So it's not older than you then.
Of course it is. I'm 30.
You're 30. Is that enough cheese?
I'll do a bit more than
A bit more.
yeah, it flavours jump up.
There you go. That's enough.
Oh,
Beans on toast kami ngayon kasi walang ham. Meron kaming ham pero hindi pa siya naluluto. Tingnan nyo yung ating orchids. Namatay siya. There you go. Dinidiligan ko naman siya pero ewan ko lang kung bakit namatay siya. Mostly yung stem na to. Wala na talagang buhay. So I don't know kung kailan siya ulit mamumulaklak kasi Nag-iisang stem lang talaga siya. Sayang.
The weed's doing well now.
Yeah, the weed is doing well.
Yeah.
Yan.
We're flowering soon.
So, do you really think it's a weed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Many of our subscribers as well, they think that it's a weed.
It is a weed.
Yeah. Wala pa din tumutubo sa ating supposedly giant strawberry.
Oh, the giant are alright. Can we get bread now? Not much money bread.
Just a little butter, please. Kailangan nating i-stir yung ating beans. Alam nyo noon, nung pagdating ko dito sa UK, hindi ako kumakain ng beans. Pero ngayon, medyo kumakain na. Nasasanay na sa lasa. Meron naman tayong beans sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pero yung dito sa kanila, parang iba ang lasa. Naiibahan ako ng lasa. Kaya yung beans nila dito, before yon, pero ngayon, kumakain ako. I need to try it, see if it is hot.
The wall.
No, give it another 30 seconds.
The tasty was that.
So, lalagyan
If you want to do beans,
ko siya ng cheese dito.
put the cheese on that afterwards on top.
No, I want it in the top and bottom. There's no rules. Just a little beans for me, please. Just very little for me, please.
What?
A bit more. That's enough. Thank you. And more cheese. Yan.
They've had beans on toast in years. Many years.
There you go. So, ito yung natin, lunch.
No, 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 no.
Enjoy.
I've got it.
You will be eating alone now. Because yesterday, supposedly my flight yesterday going to the Philippines. But then, we're not going anywhere.
And it would be a beach time, you did, and before the sun going, darling.
Yeah. How is it?
Right.
Do you prefer my hair curly or straight?
Straight.
I thought you like natural.
Mhm.
I thought you like natural. Why do you want my hair to be straight?
Naturally straight.
But my hair is not naturally straight.
Well, the problem being is, when I met you, you had straight hair.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. So, you know, I fell in love with the girl with a long, straight hair.
So you don't love me like this?
Eventually, you find it tasty?
And look, I'm using a fork and knife. So some of you were commenting that did I learn how to use fork and knife. I know how to use fork and knife, but I rather use my hands when eating Filipino food. My family were asking me, once I go to the Philippines, they want me to cook our English food there. What do you think they will react about our English food?
Mm-hmm. Depends what you give them. It's like you, when you first had things you don't like, and then now you munch it.
Mm.
Mm?
The thing you learn, you.
Your taste change.
Mm.
They do. To me.
Thank you.
Oh, I quite enjoyed it then.
Good. So, magbe-bake tayo ngayon mga palangga. Walang magawa eh. Kaya ayun, magbe-bake tayo. So, yung i-bake natin is yung kay Mary Berry's Easy Victoria Sandwich. Yan. So, So I like Mary Berries because her recipe is easy and very simple. Charot. Kahit easy at simple, I don't know if it will turn good. But anyway, yung weather ngayon, medyo may pagka-depressing. Umaambon siya and it's very gloomy. Tingnan nyo. Nakikita nyo ba? Ay. Pinakita ko sana dito kasi para makita nyo na umulan kanina ng saglit lang. Pero ito yung weather natin. Yan. So anyway, mag-gather tayo sa ating mga ingredients. First, itatali ko muna itong buhok ko kasi ayaw natin yung Victoria sandwich natin na may hair. So sa recipe dito, they are asking 4 free-range eggs, 225 grams of castor sugar. We don't have a castor sugar, so we'll be using a normal sugar. 225 grams of self-raising flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 225 grams of butter. So, yun. Minamicrowave ko lang yung butter natin. Kasi kailangan kasi siyang mag-room temperature. At yung butter natin hindi matigas. And kailangan natin ng self-raising flour. Yung self-raising flour pala, maraming nag-react. Kasi mali daw yung spelling ko. Yan. Ewan ko, but yun yung spelling nila dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Yan. Tingnan nyo. Self-raising flour. Kasi sabi nila na wala daw yung A. Pero, dito sa kanila, meron. So, please. Iba-iba yung spelling. So please do not take it seriously kung minsan yung spelling iba or kung mali yung spelling ko, then pagpasensyahan. Ang hinihingi dito na sugar, castor sugar, and it is 225 grams of sugar. I'm not using all that amount kasi I don't want my cake to be very sweet. So, ang gagamitin ko lang is granulated sugar. That's what we have. And 150 lang siguro yung ilalagay ko na sugar. Kasi yung Victoria sponge kasi, in the middle, meron siyang jam. So, maglalagay tayo ng jam in the middle. So, yung jam is very sweet already. So, we don't need that amount of sugar. That's my opinion. Kailan pa kaya akong kakabili ng castor sugar? Matagal-tagal na din akong walang castor sugar, ha? Baking powder natin. So, i-preheat natin yung ating oven. Yan. So, it's preheated. So, let's start. We preheat the oven already. So, ito yung gagamitin ko, mga palangga, itong dish na to. Normally, Victoria sponge is round, but it doesn't need to be circle. My Victoria sponge is rectangular. Last time kasi na nag-bake ako, I think fruitcake ata yun, and tumigas siya kasi we don't have a proper sealable cake tin. So, bumili ako nito sa online, and meron siyang lid. So, my plan is, lalagyan ko siya ng parchment paper dito sa bottom, and then lalagyan natin ng butter, and then ilalagay natin dito ang cake. Then hopefully lang after sa pag-bake at ma-cool down na yung cake natin, i-flip over natin siya para matanggal siya sa tin, and then hihiwain natin para lagyan natin ng jam, then ibalik natin, and then yun na, lalagyan na natin ng lid, then yun. Hopefully, it will keep our cake fresh and soft. So, dito, break the egg in a large mixing bowl. Add the sugar, flour, baking powder, and butter. So, mix everything. Dapat, no, uunahin ko yung flour. Isisave muna natin.
What with cake bacon?
Huh?
What are you having?
Victoria sponge.
Charlie? You didn't have to do that. All you had to do was go here. It's a very common cake in Victoria sponge.
Ah.
The Bevo recipe.
Yeah, in the bear book. Yeah, I know. We have the in bear book.
Well, that's the cake. That's what it looks like. Just put jam in it, see? Okay. Jam.
Do you think my cake will be...
It'll look better than this because it's been made with leather.
Flour?
It's not very warm, is it?
No, it's not very warm. What's the temperature?
16 and a half.
16 and a half.
Hmm.
Yan na. Baking powder. Before tayo mag-proceed, lalagyan ko muna to ng parchment paper kasi kailangan ko pang ikat yung parchment paper and then kailangan pa natin lagyan ng butter. Lalagyan natin ng butter yung bottom as well para dumikit yung parchment paper and it will stay in place. At least hindi napansin ni Mr. na yung gagamitin natin na dish is yung rectangular one. Kasi I bet if napansin niya ito yung gagamitin ko, he will have something to say.
So come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe.
So ito na siya. Isi-sit aside ko lang muna. Then, babalikan natin to. Maghuhugas muna ako ng kamay. So, I hope lang this time walang magliparan. Ipit na ipit talaga yung nag-bake ako ng cake for Mr.'s birthday. Sus, yung mga, ano ba yun, mga icing sugar, nagliparan talaga. But well, it's another thing to learn. Meron akong spatula. Diba? I feel like I am a proper baker na kasi meron akong spatula. Charot!
Girl, take my hand and you will see. We've got
Maganda pala talaga kapag may spatula ka. Then, i-break na natin yung egg. Yan.
just one life, baby. So live it or I'll take it one day.
Gagamit na lang muna ako ng spatula para i-mix to. Kasi tinitingnan ko yung oven natin, hindi pa siya ready. So at least by hand, hindi natin ma-overmix yung cake natin.
At our time, keep it shining like the stars we see above.
It's a good exercise din kasi. Oh, yung oven natin, wala na yung red light niya. So, which means ready na siya. Gagamitin ko yung hand mixer natin para ma-mix siya thoroughly.
Wanted to be here by my side, not dropping through.
So, ilalagay na natin siya sa dish. So, sa recipe talaga, tingnan nyo, sobrang simot na simot siya. So, sa recipe, they are requiring you to have 2 cake tins para i-divide yung mixture into 2. Pero yung akin, hindi ko siya i-divide. I hope mag-work siya. So, ito na siya. I will give you an up-close footage para makita nyo talaga yung before. Then, we just need to keep checking our cake kasi yun na nga. Nilagay lang natin siya sa isang cake tin. Well, dish. Yan. So, ito yung before. Yan. I hope mag-work Lalagay natin dito 15 minutes. Then, check natin after 15 minutes kung hilaw pa. Another 15 minutes. Kung hilaw pa, another 10 minutes. So, keep on checking lang. Time is up. 15 minutes is up. Oh! Ay, hilaw pa siya talaga, oh. Makikita natin na hilaw pa siya. Kasi umaalog pa yung gitna niya. Like, it looks very watery still. So, I think it's still not cooked. After with our baking mga palangga, lalabas tayo. Para naman makahinga-hinga tayo ng mga fresh air. Meron tayong gagawin mamaya sa labas. Si Mr. mga palangga, nasa office niya. And kanina, he's making a coffee and sabi niya na I hope this will be this thick, sabi niya. Kasi nag-i-expect talaga siya na yung cake nilagay natin sa dalawang 2-round cake tin. So, ano kaya yung magiging reaction niya na nilagay natin sa rectangular dish? I-check natin. Hindi pa siya luto. Kasi yung middle niya, hindi pa siya luto. Obvious na obvious siya. Kasi yung middle niya, yun oh, sobrang soft pa. So, lagay natin ulit ha. See if luto na siya. Kanina pala, nilagyan ko siya ng foil. Kasi hindi pa talaga siya naluluto. And ano na siya? Hala, tinurn off ko agad yung oven. Hindi ko pa nga na-check. Kasi tingnan nyo, brown na siya. Kukuha lang ako ng knife. Mga 5 more minutes siguro mga palangga. Maluluto na talaga yun. Konti pa.
A few minutes later.
3 minutes is up. So, I'm hoping this time it is cooked. I just don't understand why it takes so long to cook. Yes, it's clear. So, luto na siya. So, hihintayin lang natin siyang mag-cool down. And then, i-flip over natin siya. Then, hihiwain natin. And then, lalagyan natin ng jam. Ilalagay natin dito para makita ni Mr. And then, sasabihin niya, what have you done? I'm just nervous what his reaction. Gagamitin natin ito ulit. So, naka-jacket ako kasi lalabas tayo. We're going to the greenhouse and get some seedling box. Kasi, yung kiwi natin, yung kiwi na nabili ko sa Tesco, hindi ko alam, bulok pala siya. May isang bulok. Ito oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. And sa gilid niya, meron na siyang sap. And sobrang soft na niya. So, ayaw kong kainin. So, ilalagay natin to sa seed box. Just in case na tutubo. I'm not sure if kiwi will survive in the UK weather. But, worth trying. We could be the first ever kiwi grower in UK. Oh, it's raining. Umaambon. See, sobrang magkaiba yung weather. Yesterday, sobrang warm. Ngayon, maginaw at maulan. Weather yung weather nila. So, yung kamatis natin na transplant natin, they look happy naman. Ito, sabi ni Mr., he will keep some of it. I don't know which one, but he will keep some and then he will give away the other kamatis. And yung kamatis natin na nilagay natin dito, they look healthy as well. Sayang talaga yung mga kamatis natin na pinold out natin. Sayang yung mga seedlings. Alam nyo, kung marami lang talaga akong kapitbahay dito, ipapamigay ko talaga yung mga seedling na yun. Pero wala. Meron naman ako mga kapitbahay dito, pero yun na nga, most of them, they are farmer, they have a big space as well, and they have their own garden, they have their own farm, so wala. So yun. Hello, Pipa! Hello, Pipa! Everyone is saying hi to you. Ako naman, uy, sus. Lagay ko kayo dito, ha? Yan. I'm just gonna go to the shed, get the seedling box, and lalagyan natin ng soil. So, ito siya. We have few seedling boxes. Nandito na to pagdating dito. Kasi yung second ex-wife ni Mr. mahilig din mag-gardening. What do you think, mga palangga? Mayroon kayang tutubo? Yan. Hindi ako nag-gloves kasi okay naman sa akin na hindi ako mag-gloves. I like the feeling of the soil, believe it or not. Pero minsan lang talaga, like for example, nag-clean ako ng grass sa ating mga strawberry bed, sa raspberry natin. Nag-gloves kasi merong mga nettle doon, nettle plants, and they can sting you. So ngayon naman, nakikita nyo ba ako? May audience tayo, dalawa. Yeah, hindi na talaga siya pwedeng kainin. Alam ko na sobrang ripe na niya. Yan. Smells so good. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung namimiss ko? Is yung star apple. Star apple sa Pilipinas. Sa probinsya, maraming star apple. So, minix-mix ko lang siya sa lupa. Sus, naku, ang lamig ng tubig. Tingnan nyo yung dalawa. Ang cute! Hello! Say hi to everyone! Malamig na siya. So, ang plano ko talaga, mga palangga, is hihiwain ko siya pag ganito. Pero sabi ni Mr., para thick yung hihiwain ko siya pag ganito. Then, i-stack up natin. Ang bango ng amoy. So, yan. I-press na lang natin na pag ganun. Ano ba yung pinaggagawa ko? So, lalagyan natin dito ng jam. Kukunin ko lang yung dito. Kakainin ko. Titikman natin ba kung masarap ba o hindi. Napaproud na talaga ako sa sarili ko. So, yung jam pala na gagamitin natin is yung seedless raspberry jam. Yan. Tesco brand. Hindi ko siya ma-open. So, parang naglalagay ka lang ng spread sa sandwich mo. Kaya nga tinawag siyang Victoria Sponge Sandwich. Ready na kayo? So, yan na siya. I-press-press lang natin ng kaunti. Ito yung gusto ni Mr. Kaya kanina, sinabi ko sa inyo na nag-i-expect talaga siya na ganito yung sa top and bottom. Pero, yun na nga, hindi ko siya nilagay sa round cake tin. Okay na naman siguro. Huhugasan natin to para yan, ilagay natin dito Pero, just looking at it, mga palangga, I don't think so mag-fit siya dito. Kasi yung thickness ng cake natin, at ito, walang pag-asa. But we'll try. Baka ma-squeeze natin siya. Hindi talaga. Kahit na i-squeeze natin siya, hindi. You need to try a little bit.
After tea?
Please.
No, later. Why? Is it good?
Just a little bit. Just a little
Just put it
bit.
on a plate there.
I want you to taste it. Come on.
Why do you put it on the plate and then stop the crumbs now?
Come here so that they can see you.
Hang on, I have to take my dirty jumper off. What flavour jam you put in?
Raspberry.
Well done.
You need to taste it. See what you think.
Tastes like Victoria sponge cake.
Is it okay? Buti yung Scotland. Nire-recommend na nila ang pagwe-wear ng mask. Dito sa England, hindi pa rin nila nire-recommend. So, personal choice mo lang talaga ang pagwe-wear ng mask. So, heto tayo ulit. Pangatlong suob natin. Yan. So, this time, kaldero yung ginamit ko. Nakikita nyo naman, nag-i-steam-steam pa siya. And this time, meron tayong ano dito? Spatula. Ang tawag nito? Parang spatula naman siya. So, nilagyan ko din siya ng asin. Happy ako kasi ito na yung pangatlo natin na suob. And it feels so relaxing. Kung pwede lang, araw-arawin ko itong gawin. Pero hassle. And masaya din ako kasi, you know, makakabalik na tayo sa ating bedroom. See you later mga palangga. Bye!
Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.
So ito mga palangga, tingnan nyo yung ano ko, pawis. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam. Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Nagmaskara kasi ako kanina. So, ayun. Magpapahinga muna ako. And tinimer ko pala. Hindi tinimer. Nag-stopwatch ako. Tingnan natin. 15 minutes ako nandito. So, yeah. Oh. Ano? Mag-picture muna ako para kunwari ba, workout. Workout is done. Kanina pala sa loob ng suob. Nag-TikTok ako. Oh, diba? May paraan sa loob ng suob. Hindi ako maliligo. Tomorrow na lang kasi kaninang umaga naligo ako. Bahala na. Bahala na si Mister kung i-kiss niya ako. Sasabihin niyang maalat ako. Nawala na yung mga pawis ko. Yan. Ilalagay na natin to dito. It's good to be back. There you go. So, anyway mga palangga, dito ko na-end yung vlog natin kasi wala naman tayong ganap. Hindi ko na pahahabain to. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Mag-ingat po tayong lahat.